10 years ago. Hey everybody, I'm gonna do this first. This is what my sister got me. She got me this. I know you can see it. So I'm gonna open it. It comes with two. It's these clear ones. Oh my god, I love these. Yes. There's two of them. I'm sure the other one is the same. Yes. I love this one. Okay. And the next one, my sister got me this. The Apple Watch. The watch, the 7th season. It's the blue one. Thank you, sister. I love this. And my other sister got me this, the same one. She got me this. It's like a case for the iPod, AirPods. So cool, and it comes with the case with this. Looks so cool. You can see. It came with these and for your ears. So cool. And the next one, oh yeah, my sister got me this one. Oh, it's so cool. It's the bunnies, got the ears. You can see, and it got a little crystals right there, and it got a little bow. It's my favorite. And my oldest sister got me this, like bath soaps. And you can see it. Okay. I love this. And I got these two big ones. I'm gonna do this one first. My mom, oh man, got me a refrigerator. I'm so happy. Hey guys, I got this one. It's huge. Okay, inside, oh, okay, and it got these come with it. I can show them. And the thing is huge. You can fit a lot of it. You got these here. Sorry guys. Okay guys, the next one, my mom got me this. Me and my sister. Oh, look at this guys. It's the traveling bag. This is the one, it's the, you can see it. This is this one. You can roll and you got the wheels. You got this one here. And you got this. You got these. This thing is huge. And I got two of them. They come with this one right here. This is the one you just hold it in your arm. I love it. Thanks, Mom. I love it. You can see it. Okay. Hey guys, and the next one, that's the Nor the box. My sister, nothing. It's a long story. I know y'all can guess. It's a cotton candy machine. I got these two, the blue one and the pink. And it comes with this for the cotton candy. It's huge, guys. It comes with this one. And this one for the top. Okay, this is the main one. Let me get this out. And I just know the stuff I used it, and this is how it looks. I mean, how it looks. Just ignore the, I used it, and this is how it looks right here. And this is the button right here. And of course the plug and right here. Thanks, Mom. I love this. This is my favorite. Hey, buddy. Now I'm gonna do what I got for my birthday. So us and my siblings got me this card. And it says, I love it. And I love it. And my mom got me this. Party time. It smells so good. So, sorry. This one to my rooms. One I got. You can see that's the cake, birthday cake, and this is the dark chocolate. And I put like a honey something. Yeah. I got me half below these headphones for video games and that's to do my games. These are headphones. Got the little Macy's. Yeah. This one. You know the box. Whatever. I got this for my coffee. I got this one. It's on there. I got this. Let me see. That's how it looks. Love it. And I got this. My skin, so my skin so sensitive for everything, so I got this one. And we got the next one. I got anything from Charlie. I got this one. It's XOXO. I got it because of gospel. So yeah, this one. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you can share this, share your friends and family. And next video gonna come up, guys. Thank you. Bye.